Hey, good morning, everybody. Good to be with you here on a Friday. We got some rain here in Wisconsin. Looks like there's some other systems moving across, especially in the extended forecast. We're hoping these hit those plains areas here over the next couple of days and weeks and start to bring them some drought relief. Let's jump into it here. Overnight markets here before the reopen. July corn up 3 1/4. We've got beans up 7 1/2. Chicago wheat's up 6 3/4. KC up 4. Spring wheat up 4 1/2. We have some green on the screen on a Friday. We love it. Again, this week we had some China cancellations and poor export sales on the corn market. That's certainly disappointing. We did see the corn market push off of the lows, though, from yesterday. A good sign, and we'll get to the chart here. Outside market equities are flat. I did notice you got the 10-year bond yield back above 3.6%, first time since about mid-April. Recent news yesterday, initial jobless claims came in lower than expected, and so that's kind of going against the Fed's narrative. They were trying to get unemployment up. Right now, that's been a sticking point here in the economy. Something we put on our report yesterday, now that we feel we're starting to form, maybe a near-term low here in the corn market, what kind of rally can we expect? And we think it's really important to have some reasonable expectations out there. It's time to adjust the marketing plans and go forward at the end of the day. We certainly don't know what could happen this fall, but we need to look at some of the facts out here and be realistic with our price targets. From May low, we looked at the May low to the June high over the past 3 years. And as you can see, in 2020, we had a 24-cent rally, 2021, $1.28, in 2022, a 45-cent rally. What's important is the percentages. Two of those years, we were closer to 6-7% average. One year, we had that outlier at 25%. Okay, and so going over to the chart, here's kind of what we're looking at then for this year. If this 490 is going to be the low for May, what can we expect? In that first box is that 5 to 10% bounce area. You're looking at the 515 to 540 area is a reasonable spot. You can see the 50-day moving average is coming down. There's going to be a lot of confluence in there. Uh, Looking further up the chart, and this is a little more advanced on the tech side, but if you run some symmetry projections of the recent pullbacks, again, that they all fall kind of in that area. And so if you're looking to make some new crop sales, that's going to be a good spot. If you're really optimistic and hoping for that 20% bounce, that gets you up to the 590 and then into that insurance price. So, quite a big move, basically $1 off of yesterday's lows. We also have done a call video in here. We've talked about this. If you'd like some more information on that strategy, please reach out to us. We're more than happy to help. Again, we don't know what's going to happen in the fall, but we do need to protect some revenue, make some good decisions. There's always ways to stay in the market or be involved in the market in case it doesn't do what you anticipate it doing or what you plan on it doing. Quickly going over to the wheat side, this is a July KC wheat contract. Yellow line right there, a lot of action around the $9 level. We've had a nice rally up, really no slowing up until that 9 level. I think you see some longs getting out in that area. What we want to see now is just a higher low setup in here. If this thing's going to push higher from a technical standpoint, you get that higher low, get some buyers coming back into this market. Maybe you push up into that 9.50 to $10 area. Real quick here on the drought monitor, week over week, you're seeing some relief here in the Midwest. We've had some good rains. Plains are getting smaller, that drought area, but still significant drought in there. But it looks like extended forecasts do have some rain relief coming in for them. So we'll see. We certainly hope that they can get some drought relief. I know we have family in Nebraska, and they said they've gotten somewhere around 5 inches here in the last week or so. So that's really good news. Hey, look, we always appreciate you guys being with us here. We hope you had a great week. Thanks for tuning in, and we will talk to you Monday.